Hello again, this is Robert Veach. This is my video review of the KITESSENSU brand. It's hard to pronounce that. They're nonstick baguette pans for homemade French bread baking. They're perforated 2-loaf pans, baker tray. They're 15 inches wide by 6.3 inches long. And you can see right on the package right here has a 10-year guarantee. And they have all the contact information, how to contact the company if there's any issues, and how to even go on Amazon to leave a review if you want to. So that's a slightly closer view. This gets really good ratings on Amazon, which tells you that people really like it. It allows you to make crispy brown bread every time. And the basic concept is that as this gets hot from your oven and it sends radiation up, and because of the angle, just like a parabolic mirror, it focuses some of the energy into the bread crust. And then the holes that are on here, that are in here, will cause the heat also to come through to reach the bread. Now this is all one solid piece of relatively thick steel. There's the profile right there. And you can see, try and bend it, it's really strong. And it's the right thickness. They can't make it too thick because then the heat won't, it'll take too long to heat up. But this has a non-stick safe coating on here, which is a silicone based coating that allows you to use this safely. This will work up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to be trying this out. We're going to make some French bread. They do have a recipe right on the listing. So it's really nice and simple, and we're going to give it a try. So here's the French baguettes, just resting. They got plastic on them before we bake them. We're following the recipe that is right on the listing, and one is going to be plain, the other one's going to have some toppings on it just for health and looks. It's sunflower seeds and oatmeal. So we're going to let this rest for 10 more minutes, then we're going to try the pan out. I want to mention that on the bottom you can see that there's cornmeal here that we put that'll help the texture and help it non-stick. And then on the pan itself there is some spray oil just to help out that silicone release that's on there. So here's the baguettes, and you can see how beautiful they look, and we're going to put them in the oven now. So here it's almost ready to come out. So here it is out of the oven, and what's really nice is it cooked it really evenly because of the shape of the pan, and I see it's perfectly brown on the bottom. So that curved metal, the radiation pattern of it's called, causes the heat to go essentially wrap around it and cook it really evenly. I'm impressed. And there it is. Now we're gonna try it with a sausage and pepper sandwich. And here is a slice with sausage and peppers. Absolutely delicious. It has the perfect texture of French bread baguette. It's soft. It's got that hollow sound to it. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. What do I think about the KITESSENSU? They're non-stick baguette pans for French bread making. You can't go wrong. As I show, this worked great. 10-year warranty, non-stick pan, excellent material, the right thickness, the right holes to make delicious homemade French bread. You're not going to believe how good it is. So this is an excellent product. I'm impressed. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.